Right now there's 26 fatalities in Lake County. Most people probably don't know that off the top of their head, but it's just kind of an occupational hazard.
That's James Rafferty, our ace at MTN News, who's in charge of keeping track of the constantly changing COVID-19 numbers for our network. He took a class at the University of Montana, Numbers and News, how to report and interpret numbers.
In 1995, I didn't think that we would end up using what I learned there for coverage of a pandemic, but it turned out that way.
When numbers differ, what are the reasons for that, and why did MTN choose to go past the once-a-day reporting from the state?
As the pandemic grew, we found that as the state did its best efforts to send numbers out, they're dealing with 56 different counties. And the counties have that data first.
So instead of waiting for the information to get processed and report once a day, MTN News decided to not let information get stale.
So the state information was a little bit behind with the real-time, on-the-ground numbers, especially counties like, for instance, Gallatin County or Missoula County. They are very religious about sending their numbers out around 10 to 11 in the morning every day. We felt that it was important to give an accurate reflection of what the numbers were in the state.
It's a 7-day-a-week, morning till night, watching the numbers, and can get wildly confusing.
We're just kind of trying to bring in the information as quickly as we can, especially in our evening newscasts. We try to, I tend to do a quick survey of the different Facebook pages around 4:45 each afternoon just to see if there's something we need for our 5:30 newscast, and then do the same in the evening before our 10 o'clock newscast.
We know, of course, that your wife is an executive producer with our network as well, and so I suspect that maybe even she gets part of this if you have to say, sweetie, are these numbers looking right to you?
Yeah, there's definitely some consultation. We have our own little television station going here, so it's definitely it's a team effort.